The Fifth Plague of Egypt is a striking painting created by Joseph Mallord William Turner in 1800. Despite its title, the artwork actually illustrates the seventh plague from the Old Testament, where Moses curses the Egyptians with hail and fire. The dimensions of the piece are 48 inches by 72 inches. At just 24 years old, Turner aimed to impress critics with this dramatic historical work, submitted to the Royal Academy exhibition in London. The foreground reveals the aftermath of previous plagues with two dead horses and a lifeless man lying together, starkly representing the devastation that afflicted the livestock. To the right stands Moses, arms outstretched in judgment as he delivers the curse. In the background, the Egyptian city, marked by a gleaming white pyramid, becomes engulfed in dark, tumultuous clouds. Streaks of hail fall sharply from the sky, embodying the plague's wrath. Turner's mastery of light and shadow creates an oppressive mood, dominated by neutral tones symbolizing gloom. This work highlights Turner's innovative use of landscape as a central element to express grandeur, terror, and awe, reflecting the essence of Romanticism. Like, share, and subscribe to Decipher Art to keep the legacy of human art alive.